Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My wife, she doesn't play any games whatsoever, but all of a sudden she wanted to play games and she wanted to buy Nintendo Switch, and I also told her that I'll be getting her a Nintendo Switch. We actually got this new Nintendo Switch, the OLED model, and that's what we're gonna unbox and see how the whole package is. And she also got some games and all that, but I'll show you guys all those things. So that's gonna be this video, and we'll open and see how it is. I mean, we didn't get this, but we went to this mall and then like there was this whole like kind of a stall, and then like something was happening with like whole Mario and stuff, and they just told us like sign up for something, and they gave this free Nintendo bag. This is the device. So this has lots of stuff inside it. That is the OLED version. There's also like a normal version. This one was like $50 more, and this was $450 Canadian. And we also got some accessories and all that. She wanted a case, so we got the case to keep this, and then we also got this tempered glass because it's basically like a mobile phone, so we need protection to the screen. And then we also got this wheel, which we can actually plug in the controllers to this, and we can actually use this as a motion controller to play like, I don't know, like Mario Kart or something like that. We went to GameStop, and then she wanted two games. One is Animal Crossing, and then the other one is Sid Meier's Civilization. Yeah, I'm gonna open the device first. So yeah, this is the box. This includes the device, Mario Kart Deluxe, Nintendo Switch Online 12-month individual membership. I don't know what we actually do with the membership. And this has also the dock, which we can connect it to your TV or anything like that through HDMI. And then they have like lots of accessories inside this. Let's open and see like how this is. So this is the device. It just says Nintendo Switch. Oh, that's a nice screen. Yeah, it's OLED. USB-C, and then on this side, obviously, both the sides are these going. And then on top, yeah, that's the game card slot, and we have a input for audio 3.5, and then this is the heat vent, and then the volume and the power button. That's pretty much it. Behind we have the stand. The micro SD slot is here. It is a bit heavy. It's a nice finish. And then we have two controllers. I think it's like Xbox, the same thing. And then they have like a plus and minus button here, and then they have like a R1 L1 and R2 L2. They also have like buttons here. This is when, you know, if you're gonna play like double player, so we can use these buttons here and then like play. Two of us can play separately like a two multiplayer game. Let's see what else in the box. So there's a case here, and then I think, yeah, this is the warranty card. We have a card. It's a 12-month membership, but as I said, like I don't know what we do with this membership. It has like online play, and then like they have all these like retro games from the Super NES, Game Boy, and all that. I think this is the heavier part. That's why the box is like heavy. So this is the dock where we actually charge the device. Really? Oh yeah, AC adapter, and then LAN, and then a HDMI out. So, you know, if you're gonna connect it to your TV or anything like that, we have cables here. We have one HDMI to HDMI. This is the adapter, and then it also has two USB on the side. The actual like controller, so you know, you can put both of these like this, like that, and then this is going to be like a full controller, you know, like a PlayStation controller. Just this like a button here, and then you just press that. I think it's the same way, you just slide it in like this. Doesn't have that ergonomics which this thing has to like hold. Let's turn this on. Oh, asking for the language. Oh, it's nice. And then what do you do? A? Okay, I'm so not used to this. I'm a PlayStation guys. We have to connect it to Wi-Fi. Detach the Joy-Con from the console. Use the left stick to select next. Press A on the right controller. Use the console with the Joy-Con control. Attach or detach. Okay. User will be added to the console. So yeah, we have come to the home screen. If we have any card or anything we downloaded, it's gonna come up here. I think we should go to the eShop. So because it's like storage case to keep this, and then yeah, it has different slots to keep your game cards, then also like a pouch here, and then to keep the device here. It's a very simple one. The eShop is here. You have to register this game now. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Okay, so we got the game. So we got this tempered glass in the hopes of myself. I think I can just put it myself, but let's see. And then we also have this steering wheel. as a motion controller to play Mario Kart as a double player. Yeah, this one was $10, and then the tempered was like $5, and then this case is another $10. So altogether, like, we just got this for like $30 with tax. So these were like pretty cheap. This one is obviously, you can see it here, it's like $25. And then this Animal Crossing is like a new game. If you are in Canada, I think you guys know, like, no matter what the console is, like the standard version of any game is gonna be like $80, but it's actually $80, but we got this for $55. It's basically just like a plastic. Put that into this, and then you can just drive like this. So guys, hopefully our download should be done. I also installed the screen protector for this. Yeah, so the game is done, so let's just play it. I'm gonna do a single player. Hey, speakers are nice. How do I play? How do I play? Okay. Oh, so there is a little bit of like haptics, like, you know, it's basically like vibration kind of thing. It's not vibration, it's like haptics, like how we have it in PlayStation. There's no lag or anything like that, right? So it's like so smooth, and most of the games on Switch is like this, but I mean, for me personally, I like more graphic intense games. But yeah, that's the first impression of this whole thing and the unboxing and all that. Yeah, but I think my wife will like this, so I think she's happy with the purchase. Yeah, you like it?
Yes.
You want to play it now? Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with another unboxing and another gadget in the next video. Till then, it's Manish.